Okay, today you're going to be doing the worksheet that is graphing trig functions. Alright, so the first section there starts out with a true or false, so just think your way through it. One thing is it talks about vertical displacement on this. The vertical displacement, guys, is just your vertical shift, okay? So don't be confused by that. Alright, so 1 through 4 is just some true or false. 5 through 10 wants you to find your amplitude. To remember, amplitude is the absolute value of A. I want you to find your period. Which, remember, it should be on your plate by now. It's 2 pi over B. Your phase shift, that depends on which form it's written in. It looks like all of these are in y equals A, whatever your trig function is. So I'm just going to put trig of B times x minus C plus D. So in this case, your phase shift is just going to be your C value. It wants your midline. Remember, your midline is an equation. It's going to be y equals D. So check that out, it's an equal sign so it doesn't look confusing. And then don't worry about reflection. I meant to take those off and I did not. Alright, so go through and you can find those pieces of that. And then the bottom of the first page there is a fill in the blank to complete the table. So on some of them I gave you the equation, and you need to do just like what you're doing in 5 through 10. And then in that last one there, and the 12 and 16, I gave you all the information. You're going to have to put it back in. Remember, your period does not mean the B value. 2 pi over B is your period, so you need to solve for B in order to be able to write your equation. Oh, excuse me. On 12, your period is 2 pi over B because that's sine. But notice on 16, that is cotangent. Cotangent is a period of pi. Same thing in the top part. I didn't catch that. That it also has tangent up there, and tangent has a tangent and cotangent, 9 and 10. So it's 2 pi over B for sine and cosine, as well as its reciprocal functions. But your period is equal to pi over B for tangent and its reciprocal function. So be careful of that. Sorry, I almost missed it. It had tangent, cotangent on this one. And then on the back there, you're just going to graph them. So you're doing the same thing that you did on the front page, plus the graphing that you did from yesterday. So do as much of this as you can. Make sure you turn it in before the end of the class. Make sure that plate is ready for your test on Friday. Have a great day, guys.